Today we're going to read Seven Little Mice Go to the Beach by Haruo Yamashita, illustrated by Kazuo Iwamura. This is the story of seven little mice. They are septuplets, which is like twins, only there are seven. The seven little mice went to school all year long. But there was no school tomorrow. It was the first day of summer vacation. "Tomorrow we'll all go to the beach together," said Father. The seven little mice jumped for joy. "I can swim the crawl." "I can do the breaststroke." "I'm going surfing." "I'll water ski." "I'll go fishing." "I'll do the doggy paddle." "And I'll do the mouse paddle." Father said, "You children are good little swimmers, but we need to be safe in the water." So Father made 7 life preservers. Then he tied a rope to each one. The next day was bright and clear. The mice packed a lunch, hopped on the train, and were off to the beach. "Uh-oh, this beach is too crowded. It'd be easy for the 7 little mice to get lost here," Father said. "I wonder if we can find someplace more quiet." The 7 little mice found a little inlet away from the crowd. That rock would be good for a lookout," said Father. "This is perfect." The 7 little mice changed into their swimsuits and jumped into the water. What fun to be at the beach! Swimming mice, fishing mice, surfing mice. Everybody felt safe with Father and Mother watching them. "How about taking a rest and having some lunch?" Mother called out. Mother's rice balls were delicious. After lunch, it was nap time. The breeze from the sea felt just right. But the tide had rolled in. "Oh no!" cried the 7 little mice. "Father is stranded!" Everyone called to Father, "Come back! Come back!" But Father replied with a puzzled look, "Uh-oh, the water is too deep now. I actually can't swim as well as you and Mother." "Wait, Father, we'll rescue you with a life preserver," the 7 little mice shouted. But Mother shook her head. No, that life preserver will be too small for Father. He'll sink with it." "I have a better idea. Let's tie all the life preservers together. Then Father can float on them." "Father, here you go. Now you can float back to shore." "Oh, thank you," said Father. "Now it's time for me to take swimming lessons." Heave, ho! Heave, ho! Hooray! On the way home, Mother said, "Let's all go to the beach again." The end.